don't take it. Take it, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying.
Oh, Royals! Today I'm taking part in a fun and exciting holiday mix collaboration hosted by some of my beautiful sisters of the Dream Team. We have Bree of Bree's Project Book, Wani of Wani's House, Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, and Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Each week they're hosting a different video giving you tips and ideas for the holiday season. This week, we're crafting for the holidays, and I thought it would be fun and exciting to share with you how I created this beautiful, larger-than-life Willy Wonka Candyland themed wreath step by step. So to see how I created this whimsical piece, sit back, relax, be inspired, and enjoy. So here, you guys, is a 9-foot frosted garland I picked up from Walmart. Let me show you guys the packaging, because I have an extra one. The noise and all that good stuff. This is what I am using. It is this, you guys. I love it. Very minimal shedding. Original price is $12.97, but I got these last season after Christmas at like about 60-70% off. But even at $12.97, it's a decent deal. 50% off, even better deal. But I took the garland and I have folded it in half to give me a 4.5-foot garland. Now you can certainly cut this and make it smaller to whatever your desired length or preference is, but I like to go big or go home, so I am going to do a full length 4.5-foot garland, and I'm going to do it in a cute little, well, I'll let you see the theme of it once I'm done. But I just let my deco mess drop to the floor, you guys. I'm using this really cute and fun red and white. It almost has like a little snow, the stripes, it has like a little texture to it. I really like that. So I wanted to try something different this year. So I'm just folding it over, creating a little poof. You guys asked for step-by-step on this. I'm going to give it to you as step-by-step as possible. Like I said, I'm in my makeshift workshop and I'm trying to get the best possible angles here. And so what I've done, folded it in half, fluffed out the branches, and in the center, you guys, I just kind of connected the left side to the right side in the middle, just to kind of give me somewhat of a base for this, so to speak, so that it's not just open in the middle, because I wanted to kind of have a single, like it's only 4.5 feet. So I kind of created my own little base, if that makes sense. And so here I'm taking a piece, take 2 pieces here of the actual branches from the garland, and I'm just going to create my first little poof there. And so then I like to just use my elbow as my guide. So I'll take it down, drop it, I pull it down to my elbow. You can certainly just do that, but I just like a full look, so I take my elbow and then I go up with it, because I want to make it really full and add a lot of interest. So that second one is created. So then I'm going to do here, down to the elbow, grab branches and just tuck it.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about.
Okay, you guys, so now the entire roll of deco has been added. I'm going to just pop in with some of this, just sporadically throughout the mesh, throughout the wreath. Sorry for the rattling. This is what I'm gonna do, like so. Let it drop. I'm gonna just use the raw edge of this one. Just, I love that play on. I think I like that play on pattern. Let me see. I don't know how I may be feeling about this one. Sis. Hold up. Let's see. Let's see how we're feeling about it. Let me see. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of go. Right through here. Major. See, you just really just playing on all of your textures and your patterns here. So yeah, I'm just gonna sporadically go down the middle with this one. And most of the time when I do these, guys, I don't have a particular vision in mind when I do it. I'm just styling and letting the piece talk to me, like letting it tell me, okay, this is enough, okay, that's not enough. So I just pull out a random amount of material and just begin to create. Again, everything is being attached with the branches on the garland, so I don't use any Chanel stems or anything like that unless I'm doing like clusters or something like that, and I'll show you that in a minute. This is going to be so fun. I can already tell you that. I'm liking the way it's looking. And we'll just keep adding on layers and layers of detail. And I'm going down the center with this pattern. Super fun, super cute. I wish I could get you guys from a different angle, but the way this light is going to set up, honey, this is the best I can do. Okay? But I will show you up close and personal once I get this phase completed. Okay guys, I'm back. So I went and pulled some stuff from my other stash. I just recently picked these up. I don't think I've even shared it with you yet, but I'll show you in a haul coming up. I got these cute pieces here from the At Home store. Some more fun and whimsical type of ribbon. So I don't know which one I'm going to use, but we got options. So let's play around and see what happens. I'm loving, I like the green and white, but I kind of want to tie in with the theme of the red, green, and white. So that is kind of what I'm drawn to. And once upon a time in my life, I had some that had candy on it, but I don't know how I'm feeling about those two stripes together. So that's why I'm a little torn, but we're about to find out. I can certainly do two different patterns or something like that. Like, I like those two together, but that may be a little dark because there's not enough white in that little situation. So I'm thinking like I would do that to bring in the white to the red, white, and green. And then I can kind of play maybe this and this. But see, that's two polka dots. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see, sis. We'll see. Okay, guys, and here is the finished result of this outdoor garland. As you can see, it is fun and festive. Footage of how I attached the ribbon to this particular piece are not in. It did not record. However, not to worry, I will insert an iCard of a video showing how it's attached. Same technique, same result. So if you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. I want to thank the ladies for hosting this holiday mix collaboration. And I want to invite you, if you are not a member of my Instagram or Facebook family, please connect with me there. Royalty Designs with Trevina on both social media platforms. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know I love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. You guys, set your notifications because I have so much more to share. But until I do, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.